Hi everyone, I've got my 2002 Mini Cooper S. It's driving through a heavy rainstorm and the windscreen wipers stopped working, and I found a fix online on YouTube. Actually, I'll put the link in the description. And it turns out there's a common grounding issue. Normally the windshield wipers ground through the internals of the motor, and if that fails it causes them to stop. So I'm going to show you a workaround for that. The first step is to remove this plastic grill here. You need to push the front backwards, lift it up and then pull it out. So your best bet for removing this grill is to use some trim removers, which you can buy in a kit, relatively inexpensive. I'm going to use this one here, the strongest looking one. So yeah, we just want to get in here. Actually, doesn't really matter which way you do it, but lift that up. Same again, and just pull it forward. That's what slides in at the back there. And then you got these ones here that have got those that sort of push in slightly. You probably can't really see that well, but you get the idea. So just to give you a look at where to ground it, you can ground it basically anywhere. So on this motor here, you'll notice there's 3 bolts. The bottom one there is probably the best one if you're going to put a ring terminal underneath that for your ground. So you can ground it onto here. So I've got a self-tapping screw and just drilled through this plate here, which is part of the wiper assembly. And I just ran it onto that bolt there. But you can go anywhere. The other point I was going to go to was over here onto this bolt here. I'll just show you how to test this to see if it is the same problem for you. So ideally, if you've got a single lead with alligator clips both ends, that's ideal, would be ideal for testing this. In this case I've got a cable for a little portable camping generator. So it's got your positive and negative, and then this pin here which is your positive and negative. I'm not sure which is which, but basically we're going to connect one end to both our ground points, and then we're going to use another clip from another cable to bridge that gap there to make a continuous connection. You should be able to connect it to this clip, this metal plate, sorry. And then the other end you can either connect it to where you want to ground it. The easiest way would be just to connect it to another ground. So just showing you how I've joined this here, make sure it's connected. I'll just sit this down somewhere. Go ahead and turn your wipers on. If your windscreen wipers work, you know you've got a grounding issue. So that's basically it, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope the video helped you out. See you on the next one. Cheers.